So recently, General Asabuja spoke openly and very boldly about something many people have whispered about for years, the deliberate division of the Igbo people. Well, according to him, Nigeria recognizes Wazobia, Hausa, Yoruba, and Igbo, and anything outside this triangle is treated as less important. He explained that the people from the old eastern region, including those now labeled South-South, will face the same marginalization, the same political exclusion, and the same calculated weakening of their identity.
Igbo people, I stand well on a day. My problem with Igbo, na Igbo they betray Igbo. Na only my problem with Igbo people, na Igbo they betray Igbo. Because the way I see the country, na padi, na tribalism on they do. Make I tell on the truth, my next life I go be Igbo man. Today I be Igbo. Tomorrow I be Igbo. Next life I go be Igbo. Make I no carry Niger Delta come they separate us. South is Niger Delta. Now Wazobia we see. Now Wazobia we be. All these South are political. Niger Delta are political. And I just use them to cause problem for us. We know. Nobody say we don't know. And I use them to cause wahala. Come they deceive us. River State man, they fight Igbo. Imo State man. River State man, they fight Anambra man. Warre man, they fight Enugu man. Now what will they see? Now him will go see. Bayelsa man, they fight Imo State man. See the politics. See problem with them cut. They don't see Fulani fight Fulani. Go for or not. They don't see Fulani fight Fulani. Even soldiers where they go, say where they carry gun. If they say how they control them when Fulani come, no shoot, no shoot. No do, drop your arm. No do, ceasefire. On a they see them. You don't see Hausa fight Hausa. You don't see Yoruba fight Yoruba. Go Lagos State, you don't see Yoruba fight Yoruba. Now for East here, we they kill ourselves. Be wise, make una wake up. Make una wake up. No be when they don't kill us finish, they go come capture us. No be when they don't kill us finish, they go come hold us for hand. East be wise. East be wise. I don't know why we know they wise. It diverts me.
But that wasn't even the most shocking part. General Asabuja revealed that there are ongoing plans to set him up and eliminate him. He did not mention any names, but he made it clear that he is aware of these plots. He also spoke about the case of Nnamdi Kanu, explaining how division among Igbo people has contributed to his prolonged detention and political manipulation surrounding his case.
So my people, waiting at the talk, we know say governor's hand, particular governor of Anambra, governor of Imo State, all these eastern governor, their hand they. I use this opportunity to beg honor. No gain inside. To the suffer Nnamdi Kanu, there is no gain. Make we release them to see whether this thing will continue. Make we release them. Make we see whether all this lie where they use in name they commit crime. Whether it will continue. When Asari did detention, people they do kidnapping in Niger Delta, they use Asari them, and Asari no send them for their own selfishness, for their own belly. They use Asari them, but they collect money to release the person they kidnap. Now the same thing where they happen for Nnamdi Kanu. All the Siha community don't run. Many community for Anambra, for Imo State don't run in the name of releasing Nnamdi Kanu. They do dirty work, they rape small children, they do different things, they commit crime everywhere. For East, all Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu no send them. Nnamdi Kanu no send them. At the talk here. So I use this opportunity to beg President Ahmed Tinubu, please, Papa, you are my father. You are my boss. You are the #1 citizen. Now you get the final say. If you say now the Kanu go come out, you go come out. For peace today, for East. We need peace. Because all of us know say, Nnamdi Kanu know they sound. In nowhere. I seen Concord this last one. We see, I mean, know this strong. You no go good say we hear anything happen to Rangia. The killing even for Niger Delta or Southeast, we don't need them. Even the one where they plan to do me, I dey hear them. The one where they plan to set me up, I dey hear them. The one where they plan to come buy me, I dey hear them. They don't do using Nnamdi Kanu name. Boys they sit down and gather. Then gather now they go say na IPOB. Then gather they go say na Biafra. Somebody come back from Lagos, sit down to do party with his friends. Na IPOB, they go kill them. For East, we need peace. Now beg and they beg. Everybody with their hand day. Because I know say most of our honorable members in East, their hand day for Nnamdi Kanu. No why you inside. Because protest no go solve them. I no go lie. Protest if president say no go leave, I no go leave them. Nothing like protest. Nigeria government they believe protest. They listen to protest. They listen. They need to hear protest. Ahmed Tinubu, your subject, your son, your boy, your humble servant, and they beg. on behalf of Nnamdi Kanu. But if you say you no go release him, no wahala. Now you get the final say to release Nnamdi Kanu. If you say you go leave him, you no go leave him, now you.
And then he made another interesting point. He described Simi Fubara moving over to the All Progressive Congress as a strategic and intelligent move, one he believes may shape the political future of the region. So my people, pay attention, listen carefully, because what he said is not just political talk. It's a warning, a revelation, and a call to action.
That APC why they shout, they said he go hard, enter APC. So we go use and deal with Minister Wike. We go use and tear Wike shirt to scatter him body. Because he put me for power, he won't control me. I greet people of Nigeria. General Asabuja, the great honor. The Amusu of the cherubim. The Kwikwi of the seraph. Man with death today for pocket. And I don't see me with my red gun, my horse blood, while they use do prayer. As the Amusu of the cherubim. Now this one I they use do prayer. Now here they use nakumpo. When I won't enter Kofu. As the Kwikwi of this waiting seraph. Now him are the wear. Now him are they use dance, suruga the music inside there. That's why I get one song where they sing what they tell them and they say. Anyị kwerewo n'oge Chukwu ka mma. And I know Igbo, my brothers, and I know that song. Anyị gbawa leka leka, uche Chukwu gele. Anybody know how to sing this song? Help me now. Anyị gbawa leka leka, uche Chukwu gele. One name, I think they say Amara Wona. Anybody will know how to sing this song? Man, woman, mama, papa, young girl, sing them, send for me. Use good voice, sing them. Send them for General Asabuja WhatsApp. For Dirty Water WhatsApp, send them. If you want use music, if you want use piano, you want use organ, you want use guitar, you want use trumpet, I beg, sing this song, send for me. This song might be my #1 song. You see that song? We don't agree. Oge Chukwu Kama. He said, upon Kaibawa Leka Leka Niche Chukwu Gimi. You know why they talk this? Finally, my friend and my brother, and my Oga, and my excellency, he don't move to APC. That APC where they tell us so. That APC where they shout. They said he go hard, enter APC. So we go use and deal with Minister Wike. We go use and tear Wike shirt to scatter him body. So we go use and rumple Wike body. You know why happy again? See Fubara now, one-on-one they discuss with president. In they pass through anybody, one-on-one now they discuss with president. In they go you own go see president. In they go you own go see go into Asabuja. Now what thing I want? Make way for yourself. No wait make person make way for you. Because the one way they make they bring trouble. If somebody make way for you, now trouble in the bring. Now make way for yourself. My excellency, now like this I want them. That thing where they do, make we do them. That thing where they find, make them see them. If they want them peace, they see them peace. They want them rugged, they see them rugged. They want them gri. They go see them gri. I am the Amusu of the cherubim. You see there where you run enter now. Stay there and do the fight. Stay there and do the struggle. Stay there and do the tumbling. See, you be my brother, oh. Excellency, be my friend, oh. General Asabuja, they talk, say, you see there where you go now, no problem, let's kick up. Make your own friend by yourself. Make your own contact by yourself. Because the one where they give you, every day they won't control you. Because you marry wife for me, they won't come sleep with my wife. Because you give me money to go marry wife, you won't sleep my wife. Because you put me for power, you won't control me. You're not supposed to be so. No. Mba. Now like this are the talk, oh, where they go say, declare wanted. My second name, dead today my pocket and the Karan Waka. I am the activist of Nigeria. I am the activist of Africa. I am the warlord. My own activists follow with warlord. I am the human rights activist, a freedom fighter. I have never involved in robbery, stealing, kidnapping, raping. No go catch somebody say, instead na me give am gun, na me give am cutlass, na me give am stick, na me give am bottle. All those ones are set up. Something one no do for a small. Go ask all the division police. They do left hand for old age. No go bring person for sale. I'll bring somebody to make him do dirty work. He come point me hand. I no go follow you. I no go with you. No come for night. Give me invitation. I go come. Look, if you come for night, na hire killer come, na assassin come, na kidnapper come, na bandit come. Somebody wey no want trouble, wey want peace go come for daytime. No be midnight. You know they go arrest armed robber. You know they go arrest kidnapper. You know they go arrest assassin. Wetin they come midnight for? No be set up. No be killing they come. Nigeria's activists. We want better Nigeria.